Today, we'll walk you through connecting your Amazon RDS database with ArchiveMaster. First, go to the ArchiveMaster settings dashboard and click on Database Connection. Then select Configure Now. Start by heading to the Amazon RDS portal. If you already have an IAM user account, ensure it has RDS access and use it to log in. For admins, logging in with the root user email is also an option. In case you don't have an account, you'll need to create a new AWS account first. You can choose to either create a new RDS database or link an existing one. If you're creating a new database, go to Services, then Database, and select RDS. Click on Create Database. We'll use the standard create method for database creation. Choose the MySQL engine type. In the template section, you can select the free tier option to test the database. If you're on an AWS paid plan, go ahead and choose the production option. In the credentials settings, set your master username. For the password, you can either use credentials from your AWS Secrets Manager or choose the self-managed option to create your own. Please make sure to remember this password. Scroll down to Public Access and make sure to select Yes to allow ArchiveMaster to connect to your RDS database. For database authentication, select Password Authentication. Once everything is set, review the estimated monthly cost overview. Complete the setup to create your database. Once it's ready, check it under DB Instances in the RDS dashboard. After creating the database, it may take some time for it to become available. Even when the status shows available, additional steps are needed to enable database access. Navigate to the security group rules of your newly created database. If no CADR/IP inbound rules exist, go to the EC2 section under the Compute menu. Find your security groups under the Network and Security tab, then edit the inbound rules. Add a rule for MySQL/Aurora. Set the CADR block to 0.0.0.0/0 and save. This will allow access to the RDS database from any IP address. To link it with ArchiveMaster, click on the database you just created or an existing one to view its connection details. If you need to double-check the username, you can find it in the configuration section. The password won't be visible, but if you forget it, click Modify to set a new one from here. Go back to the Configure Connection page in ArchiveMaster and enter the RDS database name, ensuring it contains no spaces or capital letters. Provide your RDS database username and password, then copy the port and endpoint from the RDS details page and paste them in. Finally, click Connect. It may take a moment to establish the connection, but once that's done, your Amazon RDS database will be successfully connected to ArchiveMaster.